In this video, I'm going to be talking about ChatGPT and why you should be careful about using it. ChatGPT is a new chatbot technology which has went viral recently. And while it is a great tool, I use it myself almost every day, it also has some drawbacks that you need to be aware of. So if you are thinking of using ChatGPT, make sure to watch this video first before you start using it. It might just save you tons of time. So if you're ready, Okay, what I'm about to show you is, this is an article that I produced with ChatGPT. So what I did is I asked ChatGPT how to make money with AI art. And this is what the answer that it gave me. Say you want to use this for your blog or your article on your website, you have to be very careful because as you can see, once I highlighted this, copy this and paste it into Originality AI, which is actually an AI detector and a plagiarism checker as well. So copy and paste this and I click scan now. There you go. As you can see, it is 96% AI and 4% original. Though it does not have any plagiarism, it is still very, very dangerous. As you can see in this article by Search Engine Journal, it says AI generated content is against guidelines. Another article by Business Insider, it says a fierce battle between Google search algorithm and website that uses AI to churn out content. In fact, it is so scary because Google appears to be downranking pages created by AI, which it deems as low quality. So if you're going to use ChatGPT, this is going to be very scary. But I'm going to show you a quick hack that you can escape from all of this. So back to the article generated by ChatGPT, I'm going to copy this and going to paste it into another AI writer that has the ability to repurpose that particular content so that it doesn't clash on the AI detector. So what I use is Writesonic. Writesonic has what they call content rephrase. So I'm going to click on content rephrase. I'm going to paste it here. Once here, I'm going to click generate. So what it does is that it's going to rephrase the content that I have at the moment into something which is more palatable for the AI detectors. So yes, say we are going to use this. And the good thing about content rephrase, I like it a lot, is that it can actually summarize only the most important thing. So you will not be writing words for the sake of writing words. So we're going to copy this. I'm going to go back to Originality AI, which is AI detector and plagiarism checker. I'm going to click on content scan again, click new, paste this here. I'm going to click scan now. As you can see from here, there's 97% original and only 3% AI, which is really, really awesome. This is an example of how you can actually hack your way through Google detection itself. So now you know this secret itself. You will not need to fear using content generated by ChatGPT. So again, what I have mentioned is if you are generating content with ChatGPT, it will most likely be triggered by an AI detector. So you need to rephrase that content. You can either do it manually or you can use a tool like I do called Writesonic, and you can rephrase it, which you can use that particular new content to put on your blogs and your website, and you will not be afraid of Google penalizing you. So yeah, I hope this helps you. So if you are thinking of using ChatGPT to create articles and blogs to rank on Google itself, or even thinking of building a website for your affiliate marketing, this will definitely save you a lot of time, and at the same time, will save you from Google penalizing you. So if you like more content like this, don't forget to like and don't forget to comment if you have any questions. That's about it. I'll see you in the next one. All the best, money magnets, and take care.